Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new number, that is number 6. But before we start that number, we have to revise our previous number quickly. So look at here. Which number is this? Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And would you like to tell me what comes after number 5?
Number 6.
Yeah, this is our number 6. So kids, look at here. This is our number 6. तो सबसे पहले आप 6 नंबर की ट्रेसिंग कर सकते हैं like this. Okay. And now count with me. How many fishes there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Kids, again count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now there are 6 fishes. There are 6 fishes. Now it's time to make formation of number 6. Now kids, look at here how we can write number 6. First of all, we have to make a left curve. Okay, and after that make a small circle. Make a small circle. And again look at here. Sometimes kids make 6 like this. 1 and now this is not a 6. Okay, this is not a proper way. Now look at here how we can make number 6. So kids, draw a curve. Start from top. Very good. Very good. Okay. And now around the clock until it ticks. Okay. That is way to make number 6. Now again kids, look at here. Make a left curve and make a small circle. Okay. That is number 6. Chali kids, do practice with us. Make a left curve and now make a circle until it tick. Okay, make a left circle, okay, half circle, and make a small circle in the middle of big curve. Okay, now it's time to revise our previous letter. How can we make number 1? Okay, 1 to 6. Now look at here. 1, make a standing line. This is our number 1. How we can make number 2? Make a down curve like this. After that make a slanting line and now make a slipping line. This is our number 2. And now it's time to make number 3. Make a small right curve and again make a small right curve. This is our number 3. Okay, now this is number 4. Make a small standing line and make a big standing line and now make a slipping line. Okay, this is our number 4. Now number 5. Make a slipping line, make a standing line and now make a right curve. This is our number 5. Now it's time to make number 6. So make a left curve and make a small circle. This is our number 6. तो हम अपने बच्चे को फुल डॉट्स पर करवा रहे हैं. ओके, तो इससे उसकी हैंड राइटिंग अच्छी होगी. जब हमारा बच्चा लिखना सीख जाएगा तो हम धीरे धीरे स्लोली ये सारे जो डॉट्स हैं वो रिमूव कर देंगे और सिंगल डॉट पर आ जाएंगे. ओके, तो किड्स बोलिए मेरे साथ बेटा एक बार. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Kids, say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
6.
Very good. Take care and bye bye.